Still on coordinate geometry, we're asked to find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, 5, 1, and 2, 0. This is the formula you should always apply, if you like, because we have alternative. The area of a triangle is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the absolute value of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. Yes, this is the formula. But you should only use this formula if one of these three vertices is at the origin. Where is the origin? If I have y-axis and I have x-axis, make sure that one of the vertices is at the origin. You can see one vertex here is at the origin where x and y values are all 0. Then the two other vertices can be anywhere. But if you pay close attention, none of these three vertices is at the origin. So how can you deal with this problem? That's what we call a translation. You can translate one of the vertices to the origin. For instance, you can translate this one to the origin by removing 2 and removing 3 on y-axis. And if you do that, you have to do that for all the other two vertices to maintain the complete transition. So this is what I'm going to do. If I take 2, 3, I can translate it to 0, 0 by just removing 2 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. So something like this, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. This is going to take it to 0, 0. And I'm going to do for all of the two other vertices. For 5, 1, since I have taken away 2 on x-axis, I'm going to take 2 away from x coordinate, then 1 minus 3. You see, I have taken away 2 on x coordinate, and I have taken away 3 from y coordinate. This is going to be 3, minus 2. 3, minus 2. Then the last one, which is 2, 0, you take away 2 from 2, you take away 3 from 0, and this is going to be 0, minus 3. So you can see one vertex is now at the origin, but the other two vertices are at other points. So you can continue using the formula. Let me call this one x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug them in here. So you have the area to be 1 over 2 absolute value, so that whatever value is inside will maintain positivity. It must remain positive, irrespective of whether it is negative. x1 is 3 multiplied by y2, which is negative 3, minus x2, which is minus 2, multiplied by y1. Wait, where is x2? x2 is 0. x2 is 0, which is right here. Then y1 is negative 2. Negative 2. Let's simplify. This is going to be minus 9. This is 0. So minus 9 minus 0. This is 1 over 2 minus 9 minus 0, which is simply minus 9. And minus 9 on the absolute value will be what? Positive 9. So this is just half of 9. Unit squared. This is the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 2, 3. And if you like, you can write it as 4.5 unit squared. If you like, you can write it a mixed number, 4, 1 over 2 unit squared. All of these are equivalent, these three. Yes.